Hello everyone, hope you are guys doing good. So in this learning SQL video series, now we have a new problem that I want to calculate running sum of quantity. What I mean is here that we have a quantity, and for example here I want 4, then in the next row I want to sum up 5 plus 4 with the previous value 9, and then 9 plus 8 17, like here I write the result, and at the end I want 42. So if we need to sum up the value, so how we can do this? So we already learned that sum is our aggregate function like quantity. Okay, so we already know that, and if we sum up, but it will return 42 last value, but we need to break up. All here is like this. So what we can do, we already learned in previous video that over. Okay, in over what can we do? We can pass order by, let's say order id. Let's say, let me run this query. Here the good point is that we do not need any group by, although it's an aggregative function, but over is actually overcoming the group by function. So this is one thing. If someone asks you that it's we are using sum, it's necessary to write a group by, you can say no. If we are using over, then we don't need a group by with the over. So but this is not our desired result, right? Because we what I am going to show like this. Let me add a star as well. So the issue is that we want sum of 4 9 17, but it's actually because we have over order by, so order id, so what it's grouping this record. Okay, which is okay, fine, 4 5 8, but our requirement is not that. Our requirement is that rather than showing sum of 17 in this group, or 31 like this, 42 like this, we want 4 9 7 like this. So what we need to actually check what is our keys, what order by we can use which make us a primary record or uniqueness. So order by product id is making, I think so, a primary or uniqueness, so it is called a composite key as well. So let me add product id as well. So now let's run this query. So here you go, you can see that we have a result 4 9 17 23. It's a running sum. Okay, running sum of the quantity. Okay, so we can say running sum quantity. Okay, so to make it more readable, rather than no columns name, I want to use a give name. So this is one thing, and I am going to add few more queries like lead and lag function. So I pasted this query using lead and lag function. So what lead and lag function doing, and let me run this query. Okay, so we have a data set, order id, product id, order date, quantity, which you are already familiar. It's coming from order table, so you're already familiar. But here I am using lead function, which is actually next quantity, I would say, or previous quantity. Let me correct this way. Okay, and then run this query. So lead, we have lead mean we are picking a next record or next available value based on order id. So in this case 4 is our current and next is 5. So here you can see next is 5. Okay, and if we are in this record, like, so next is 8, so you can see 8. So next is 6, so we can see. So and finally 4, after 4 we don't have any record, so it's showing return. So lead is actually taking a next record. And similarly we have lag function. What lag function is doing, it picking previous one. Okay, like we have 4 is previous not exist, so it's showing null, but 5 is previous value is 4, so it's showing 4, and 8 is previous value is 5, right? And 6 previous value is 8, and like this. So this is another approach we can use, lead and lat function. I am going to add two more things if you don't mind. So I am going to add two more things for you. So I add dense rank or rank. Actually, dense rank or rank is like a row number we have learned or explored in our previous video tutorial. You can refer it. So dense and rank is another approach where we can get the running number, but there is some difference. Okay, let's say in a dense rank we have not skipping any value. Let's say we are here order by order date, order ID. Okay, so in this case we have 1. Okay, and then we have 2 whenever the values order change. So we say this is the first, this is second, this is third. But what is rank is doing? Rank is saying that we have 1. Okay, but this value is coming from fourth record, so it's showing fourth, and then it's showing fifth record, but it's actually value is not over yet, so it's 4. Then it's 6. So rank is actually is skipping the value, but dense is not skipping the value. So this is dense rank is not skipping the value. This is a main difference. So we can use like part or product ID as well. So let me just add product ID on a dense rank. So you can see this is like a running number as we saw in previous video, row number. Okay, so this is a thing which actually difference between dense rank. Keep in mind, dense rank will not skip the number, and rank will actually skip the number, but it will actually pick the row number, so based on the group. So similarly it's going order over making 1, and but here the order ID is changed, but it will start not for 2. Ideally it starts for 2, but dance rank can do, but rank will be actually picking the row number. So this is the main difference. So I hope you like the idea. So we cover almost all the main aspect of the select statement, and in the next video probably we will move forward to our insert update, which I want to come earlier, but I think this is an important topic, that's why I cover it. So I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.